Good evening. My name is Phil Disselcohen, assistant instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Tonight we're going to look at the low block wrist release, which looks similar to the retraction wrist release, which we did earlier in the term. So let's look at the mechanics of it. Okay, so basically you're standing here, somebody's going to grab my left wrist. Okay, so what you want to do is, I'm going to just break this up in parts. I'm going to make a fist, I'm going to rotate my wrist, I'm going to step back, and then I'm going to do a low block. The whole hand holds right there, so I'm going to come down on that hand to pull off, just like that. So let me do it again, breaking it up in parts. So you're going to grab my left wrist, I'm going to rotate, I'm going to step back, I'm going to come down, I'll do a low block on that hand that's grabbing my wrist, like so. Of course, I'm going to get into a wedge guard and move away. So let me do the whole thing all in one motion. So basically, you're going to do this. We're going to grab my left wrist, I'm going to step back, low block, wedge guard, and then move away. Let me do it on the other side. So let's say somebody grabs my right wrist. Okay, I'm going to make a fist, I'm going to rotate my wrist, I'm going to step back, I'm going to pull, low block. So that pull back gets your partner or attacker off balance. So that also helps in this defense. So somebody grab my right wrist, I'm going to rotate, step back, and do a low block as I pull back with my hand. So you want to pull back really hard and come down really hard with that low block. Of course, when you do this with a partner, be gentle, don't strike your partner. You just want to come down and touch and then push. Okay, so I'm going to have Mr. Booker assist me in demonstrating this self-defense technique. I think we can do this in this direction. Okay, so I'm going to have Mr. Booker grab my left wrist. Okay, so I'm going to step back, rotate my wrist, and then I'm going to come down on his hand just like that with my arm, like that. So let me try that again. Okay, Mr. Booker, attack. Okay, I'm going to step back, pull, push down, move away. Okay, again, wrist wrapped up. Step back, pull, push down. Of course, his head's right there, so you can always throw an elbow in there when you're finished before you move away. Let's go ahead and try it from the other side. Okay. Okay, this Booker's going to grab, and this would even work with the cross grab. So he's not going to grab straight across, he's going to do a cross grab. So, okay. I'm going to rotate my wrist, step back, and it's a little bit different. And it might be more painful for Mr. Booker when he does that, because I'm hitting the back of his wrist when I do that. So, again. Okay, rotate the wrist, step back, and then pull off and wedge guard. Move away. Okay, one more time. Okay, rotate the wrist, step back. I want to do that one more time. All in one motion. Okay, wrist grab attack. And then into a wedge guard. Thank you, Mr. Booker. So it's an addition to the retraction wrist release. So, and that wrist release, sometimes you can't get free. This will definitely get you free on that one. So, the very effective wrist release. And that is the low block wrist release.